you really don't know where your money goes.
Once you give money to charity, it's really quite difficult to know where the money has gone.
I'd say better feedback could be there.
I'd like to see donating to charity become more innovative, more fun, more inclusive.
I think it's important that people know and become more involved with the organisations that they're donating to.
Guys from the charitable organisation will come up and essentially assault you in the street. I don't like that at all. That gives me a very poor image of that charity.
You sometimes get guilt-tripped into giving money to them.
I think if there was a more personal way, I'd be more inclined to give.
You want to feel positive that what you've done has helped.
See the Difference is basically about engaging people with the world of charities. It's about using stories to bring the amazing things that charities do to life.
And we work with them in digital storytelling to give them the skills to make really rich videos of the good that they do.
There's something really special about video that connects you absolutely straight into the heart of something. You build an emotional rapport.
So we're creating a digital experience that allows people to explore, discover, share, congregate around and donate to causes that really motivate them.
There are 4 key components or ideas that make up the whole See the Difference digital experience. The first idea is engagement. So each video on See the Difference tells a story that describes how you can participate in the project and make a real difference. The second idea is exploration. See the Difference provides a fun environment in which you can easily and enjoyably find the things that you really care about. You can look for projects that support particular causes, but you could look for projects that make people laugh, or you could look for projects that are supported by a particular celebrity. But one way or another, you're going to find something that you really care about. The third idea is the idea of sharing. Sharing what you care about with your friends, your family, your colleagues, anyone you might be able to convince to support your project. You can ask them to get involved too, or you could just let the world know what you care about by adding the project to your blog or your Facebook profile. The fourth idea is central to what See the Difference is all about, and it is, of course, when the project is complete, you're shown the difference that you made. You might get an email, you might get a text, you might see a video showing the difference that you've made and thanking you for participating. And at the time that you're thanked, we will of course take the opportunity to say, if you enjoyed supporting that project, perhaps you might want to support one of these projects too. We might start seeing the See the Difference logo in all sorts of unexpected places. The logo appearing in all of the different places around the world where projects are going on. So See the Difference could ultimately become the standard way in which people choose and express the things they care about and the differences that they want to make to the world.
I'm impressed with what you've shown me so far about See the Difference.
I think the best thing about this idea is that it puts the giver in control.
That looks great. I think it looks a really cool website. It looks very up to date, and I really like the way that you can choose all the different projects.
It would definitely encourage me and my friends to give, because you can see the target and the progress that the charity has made. So it's sort of like everyone's working towards a common goal.
Without a shadow of a doubt, it was one of the best ideas I'd heard about in about 10 years.
I thought this is possibly one of the first things I've seen that will actually grow the market.
It just answered all my prayers that I've been thinking about why charities don't use the internet.
The great thing about See the Difference is the connection, is that you can truly see what your donations are doing.
Just incredibly exciting that there is this new way that everyone can get more deeply involved with charity.
Quite honestly, I'm blown away by how revolutionary this is. I think it brings excitement and innovation to the whole giving process, and I think it actually could really revolutionise things over the next few years.
We first got involved in See the Difference to help them build the business model and the business case. We looked at a lot of numbers, and we have now created a very sound business plan for See the Difference.
My involvement has been initially helping to help to shape the idea, mentoring if you will. Then the second bit was to open up my contact book to see if I can enthuse other people to get involved with the project in the same way I got involved with the project. And finally, of course, was to give money, which is very, very important to get this thing off the ground.
Microsoft is working with one of its partners, EMC Consulting, and we're providing the technology infrastructure to run the See the Difference service.
Our job is to create a fantastic user experience and design of the See the Difference website.
Our involvement is to help coach the many charities who are trying to get involved in the business of storytelling.
We're full service legal providers. We deal with all the legal issues that See the Difference have.
Our involvement has been ranging from providing meeting space, sandwiches, through to actually helping him develop his marketing strategy.
We're providing programme management support and financial support. We're all about delivery on time and getting this out there.
It will hopefully engage a new audience by being transparent and being visible and just getting across people's stories.
It will allow us to meet and be in contact with potential donors that we'd never have reached before.
It will really help raise the profile of some of the charity's work amongst audiences that are really difficult for us to get to.
I think it's going to give us an amazing opportunity to engage younger people in giving and sharing that giving with their friends and their family.
I think it would be fair to say that charities have really struggled with using the internet, and I think the people that See the Difference managed to bring together has really given us access to expertise that we would not otherwise have access to.
Well, the market research we've done has signalled absolutely 100% that there is a massive opportunity for something like See the Difference to come into the marketplace and change the nature of charitable giving for the foreseeable future.
Because of the professionalism and their approach, the people who are involved and the planning itself, this is a great idea. It's what the market needs, and we're confident it's going to be a success.
I think it'll be successful because it will capture the imagination of younger people, both to give to the charities in the third sector and maybe to get involved and really participate.
I know our readers want to get involved with charities. The brilliant thing about See the Difference is that they can do that really easily.
I think See the Difference will be a great success because of the connection you get. You can go to one place, you can look at various charities' work on video, and you can make your donation and really see it making a difference.
We want to raise £500 million over the next 5 years for charity, and it's been amazing. 300 people have come together to work pro bono to make that happen.
If we're going to get this to launch, we need support right now.